Hello, friends. This is Barbara with the Budget Kitchen with Barb. Okay, what we're doing today is cabbage burgers. Okay, first thing you want to do, I greased my pan and I had my husband cut up strips of cabbage, like a steak cabbage, not very thick. And then what you're going to do is place a burger. I had these in the refrigerator. I needed to do something with them. So this is what I'm doing with them. You could just make your own patties and boom, throw them in there. But I really didn't feel like cooking tonight. This is going to be fast, easy, and simple. Let's get some garlic powder. Okay, onion powder. I love onion powder. How about you? Do you guys like the onion powder? Let's get some salt. Just a little bit of salt. Don't forget the pepper. Okay. And then we are going to want to, ta-da, red onion. I love red onion. We're going to want to place a few, if you like onion on your burger, you'll want to place the onion on top of the burger. Oh, there was something I forgot. Worcestershire. Oh, if I could open it. I don't trust myself. I'll probably spill too much. Here, ta-da, did it. It was like magic. Put your Worcestershire sauce on those burgers. Perfect. That's what we need. Okay. Okay. And then from here, get your favorite cheese. And guess what? Chop that. This is pepper jack here that I got. Okay. And now I'm going in with, God, I don't even know what this is called. Marble jack. It's Colby and Monterey Jack together. I can never pronounce that word. But there it is. And then you place that on top. I have preheated my oven to 350. And now I'm going to throw this in the oven for 45 minutes. Because we want to get that burger done and we also want to get that cabbage done too. Okay, the husband couldn't wait, so he snatched his pretty quick. So I'm going to take one out, and this is what it's looking like. I'm going to grab a knife. Sorry, I should have been ready. I'm going to try to cut it. Cut. Okay. It has cheese on the other side, right there. Oh my God, this is so good. I can only hope that I don't eat another one tonight, but there's no carbs in this. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Keep cooking, friends, and I love you all.